Hey Nash, what should we make?
Our friend Seize the Night wants us to make a spicy pepperoni pizza burger, so let's make that.
All right, let's make a spicy pepperoni pizza burger. Today, we're making another request from our good friend Seize the Night. The request was for a spicy pepperoni pizza burger. So we're gonna take a stab at our version of what that looks like. And without further ado, let's go. All right, so the plan is to do a double smash burger with mozzarella cheese, some spicy pizza sauce, and then some pepperonis. But here's some timestamps, just in case you want to skip ahead. So we start with our sauce. First, we do a little bit of pizza sauce, probably 3 tablespoons. The measurements are in the recipe, clip below. Then season it however you want, depending, you could use marinara sauce, you could use pasta sauce, straight up tomato sauce out of a can, make your own from scratch. I don't know what you're trying to do here. So season it how you like it, you know? If it needs some salt and pepper, whatever. Anyways, we're gonna do a little bit of Italian seasoning and some basil. I'm using basil paste, but dried basil, fresh basil, whatever you got, use that.
Don't forget to make it spicy.
That's what she said.
Absolutely. So to make it spicy, because that's how Seize the Night likes it, we're gonna do some red pepper flakes. A little bit of sriracha, do a little bit more. If you're opening sriracha, make sure to open it away from you, not towards you. If you watched my last video when I accidentally, the sriracha exploded in my eye, good lesson to learn. I'll link that right here. And then just to please Seize the Night, we got some of this XXX. It's the last dab sauce from, it's the last sauce on Hot Ones. We'll do a dab or 2 of the last dab. Then we just get this all combined. And if you don't like spicy, then leave all the spicy stuff out. It's fine. Nobody's judging you. I'm not judging you. Perfect. All right, set that aside. And then for our bun, we got this brioche bun. I'm just gonna butter this lightly. Maybe that's more moderately, I don't know. Whatever. Butter your bun, because we're gonna toast it. And then for our smash burger patties, we got 6 ounces of beef, so 3 ounces each. We're just gonna turn these each into kind of a ball. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just gonna smash them. So with our griddle ripping hot on our stove, we go ahead and toast our buns a little bit. Looks good. We're gonna throw a few pepperonis on here just to let them kind of warm through and fry up a little bit. Then we throw our patties on, do a little bit of parchment and a burger press, and just smash them. There we go. Then we're gonna season these guys up with a little salt, pepper, garlic. We only need to do one side since they're real thin. Whoops, that was premature. Don't judge me. And we'll just go ahead and flip. Oh, look at that crust. That looks good. Then we're just gonna take our sauce. Just for some extra flavor, I'm just gonna sort of paint the top of each of these guys. And we're gonna put a slice of mozzarella cheese on each one and move them down so they're a little closer. Then we'll just throw a random pan lid over them so the cheese melts, although it's already almost all the way melted. We'll pull the lid. We'll put this guy on top of this guy. Kill the heat. And a few pepperonis here. Then we'll pull our guy off. Put your oven on broil. Take a wire rack and a sheet pan, or you could just do a sheet pan, doesn't really matter. We're gonna take our top bun, we're gonna put a piece of mozzarella on top of that. You gotta pay the pepperoni tax to your producer and best friend. Then we're gonna go ahead and put a few little pepperonis on this guy. That ought to do it. Here, Nash, have some more pepperoni. Yeah. Then we're gonna throw this under the broiler till the cheese melts. All right, that's exactly what I was looking for. So we'll set that aside, let it cool for a minute. And now we're ready to build. So we take our bottom bun, some of our sauce here, just sort of give it a nice little coating. And we put our 2 patties on top of that. And we take our top bun carefully. We carefully sauce this guy because the cheese and everything is still hot. It's burning the shit out of my hand, but that's okay. That's what I do for y'all. And then, boom, look at that. It looks good. I'm all greasy, but it looks good. And there we have our spicy pepperoni pizza burger. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It may have seemed a little silly, but I can assure you it's freaking delicious. It's the perfect blend of a pepperoni pizza and a burger, and we made ours extra spicy, so it's definitely got a kick. But you can leave that out if that's not your thing. Either way, highly recommend out of 10, so go make this. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Well, hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good. Just preparing my keynote speech for the K9 University graduation. I think it'll be a good springboard for my public speaking career.
Well, check it out. We made these spicy pepperoni pizza burgers that our friend Seize the Night wanted. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, dang, that's fire. Thanks, Seize the Night. This one's a big winner.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
What you're supposed to do when you don't like a thing is change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. Don't complain.
Nash approves, I approve. It's a big winner. Winner, winner, pepperoni pizza burger dinner. If you like this video, go check out our playlist with all of our fusion videos. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all that stuff. Hit the bell if you want notifications, yada, yada, yada. And hey, if there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. Just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.